The journey of a matchbox involves two separate but connected production lines, one for the matchsticks and another for the boxes themselves. Let's break it down. Matchstick production. 1. Wood preparation. Wood, the traditional material for matchsticks, arrives at the factory in logs. Machines like debarkers and saws cut and strip the bark, transforming the logs into thin sheets of wood called veneers. Two. Shaping the sticks. The veneers are chopped into thin splints by sharp blades. There are two main ways matchstick splints are drying. 1. Sun drying. This is a traditional method that is still used in some parts of the world. The splints are simply spread out on a large surface in direct sunlight. This method is inexpensive, but it can be slow and is reliant on good weather conditions. 2. Mechanical drying. This is the most common method used in commercial matchstick production. The splints are placed in a large conveyor belt dryer. The dryer uses hot air to remove moisture from the splints. This method is much faster and more efficient than sun drying, and it can be used regardless of the weather. These splints are then cleaned and soaked in a chemical solution, often containing ammonium phosphate, to prevent them from burning too quickly. 3. Chemical treatment. After drying, the splints are dipped into a special chemical cocktail that includes the key ingredients for ignition: potassium chlorate, oxidizer, sulfur, fuel, and powdered glass, friction material. Matchbox production. 1. Creating the box. Large sheets of cardboard, typically printed with designs elsewhere, are delivered to the factory. Using machines, the cardboard is cut, folded, and glued into the familiar box shape with a separate lid. 2. Filling the box. The prepared matchsticks are then precisely counted and loaded into the empty boxes by automated machinery. Over 1 million matchboxes are produced every single day. That's a lot of tiny fires waiting to happen. The striking surface, the rough area on the side of the box where you scrape the matchstick to ignite it, is typically made from a mixture of red phosphorus and crushed glass. This ensures that friction can easily generate enough heat to start the combustion process. Safety matches were invented in the 1890s to reduce the accidental fires caused by regular matches. The key difference is that the chemicals that ignite the matchstick are separated on the box and the matchstick itself. This makes them safer for children and reduces the risk of accidental ignition. Packaging and distribution. Once filled, the matchboxes are sealed, labeled, and grouped into larger cartons or shrink-wrapped for safe and efficient transport to stores and finally, to your home. Safety first. Matchbox production involves chemicals that can be hazardous. Safety measures are crucial to protect workers and the environment throughout the process. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sports content.